Welcome everyone to today's video on my channel. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to resolve issues encountered while installing updates KB50346765 or KB503447 on your Windows 11 system, particularly when facing error code 0x800f0922. To begin, initiate a search for Services in the Windows search box. Once Services is open, locate App Readiness, which may be disabled. Double-click on it, then adjust the startup type to either manual or automatic, and click Apply. Proceed to start the service and click OK. Following this, right-click on App Readiness again and select Restart. After completing these steps, navigate to Windows Settings and attempt to update your Windows system. If the error persists, proceed with additional troubleshooting steps. First, run the Update Troubleshooter by accessing it through the Start menu, Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, Windows Update. Once the troubleshooter completes its process, restart your computer and attempt to update Windows 11 again. Next, ensure both the Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer service are running smoothly. You can do this by accessing services through the Windows search box, finding these services, setting their startup type to automatic, and restarting them. If issues persist, consider using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Download and run the assistant from the provided link, then follow the prompts to install any pending updates. If the Installation Assistant fails to open, adjust its compatibility settings to run in compatibility mode for Windows 7. Alternatively, you can utilize the Microsoft Update Catalog. Access the provided link, search for the specific update, download it, and install it manually based on your system specifications. If none of the above methods work, reset the Windows Update components by executing provided commands in Notepad and running the file as an administrator. As a final resort, utilize the Media Creation tool to update Windows 11. Download and run the tool, select the option to create installation media, and follow the on-screen instructions. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install the necessary updates on your Windows 11 system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.